Is Wix SEO actually effective? Yes, Wix SEO is actually very effective, especially for small businesses and beginners who want to rank on Google without dealing with complicated technical settings. Wix gives you all the essential SEO tools you need, like meta tags, image alt text, custom URLs, and mobile optimization, right inside the platform, so you don't have to install plugins or hire an expert just to get started. Everything is simple, clear, and easy to adjust, even if you've never done SEO before. Wix also includes built-in tools like the SEO Setup Checklist and Wix Site Booster, which guide you step-by-step on how to improve your rankings. It scans your site, gives suggestions, and helps you fix issues that could hold you back from showing up on Google. For most small businesses, this alone is enough to start gaining real search traffic. In real-world results, many Wix sites rank very well when owners combine Wix's built-in tools with smart keyword research using tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest. This helps you understand what people are searching for and create content that matches real demand. When you follow these steps, choosing good keywords, writing helpful content, and using Wix's SEO features, your site can absolutely rank on the first page. You can try Wix for free and explore all its SEO features before upgrading. It's one of the easiest platforms to start building real search visibility for your business.